Hi, hi,
Hi.
hi, hi, Hannah. I just want to show you how to book these tickets. Because what's happening is that when I'm trying to book it, well, where is it? When I'm trying to book it, it has a $75 US fee, and I think that's because I'm trying to book it from outside the US. So you want to try to see if you can book it from inside the US without that $75 fee. And I'll tell you everything you have to do is real simple. All right. So you should be seeing my screen right now. Um, Open up browser, just type in American Airlines. American Airlines comes up, right? In Google, you click the first American Airlines, all right? It takes you to the home page. Takes you to the home page. There should be an option to log in. You use this information, and I'll give you my password, all right? So it's on the screen, advantage number and last name, and I'll give you the password separately, all right? And then you log in. Once you log in, then let's see. Welcome back. Book flights. So you want to book flights. Now you want to do a one way because we'll do one way from my account, one way from Alicia's account. All right. So one way ticket, your airport is going to be LAX, that's Los Angeles, to POS, that's Port of Spain, Trinidad. One passenger. Make sure to click the departure date, 7th of August. Make sure to click redeem miles. All right, otherwise it'll give you the price in dollars. All right, and then you hit search. You one that you want. Why are you being silly like that? You, well, this is coming up. Huh? Auntie Hannah wants to see you. Okay. All right. So then you get these options. Tuesday the 7th is what you want. So you click Tuesday the 7th. Continue. All right. When you hit continue, you're gonna get all the options come up. What happened? All right. Check up, please. All right, so you're gonna look at the second option here. It should be leaving 12:01 a.m. from LAX. You go to Miami. 8:24 you hit there. 10:41 you leave Miami, and you reach Port of Spain 2:31 in the afternoon. The same flight that we took, and it is the best. It's the best one, right, guys? Right, Irie? It's the best one. Yes, that is the best one. So you click that one. That's flight 340.
Or if you prefer the 8 a.m. you could do that
Yeah, but I spent
all day.
she said she preferred this one. We had this conversation already. All right. So you click that, then you click continue. All right. Now on my screen, this is saying 27,500 miles plus $80.60. When we booked it from the US, it was saying plus $5.60. There's a $75 fee apparently for booking it from here. And that's what we're trying to avoid. So when you reach this far, if you see 560, then it means that we get to skip that $25 fee, a $75 fee, and you could go ahead. All right, now passenger, it has my information by default. So you'll want to backspace that, start to enter your information. When you do that, it will automatically come with this change passenger name thing. So just, all right, something went wrong. What's that? Fix the error. What's the error? Okay. All right. Yeah. So I have to finish filling out all of this. Anna Higgins. Okay. Okay. So don't hit enter. Just click somewhere else in the page and it'll come up. Clear information. All right. You might have to do it over again, but it will clear the information. Anna Higgins. All right. And you fill out all the information: the date of birth, gender. You don't have to worry about this. Date of birth August 11, 11, 1992. 1992. Don't worry about any of that. Country or region will be United States, California. Alright. Trip contact. You need to do that. If you want, you can put in your email. I'm just gonna put in my email right now. Put in your phone number for this for sure, because they'll send you updates to your phone if anything changes. So you should put your email there too. All right. Um, whatever it is. I'm just gonna put mine just to get past. All right. And then just hit continue. Now when you hit continue, Thais, be gentle please. You could choose your seats. All right. They don't have that many seats left. You could try to choose the ones. You could try to choose the ones with the star. I'm not sure if that'll work, but it's either the blue or the blue ones with the star. All right. Either one of those, unless you want to pay more. If you want to pay more, you could choose one of the seats. I don't think you want to pay more. All right. So you click that. Next flight. Miami to Port of Spain. Might be nice to have a window seat for that one. Might get to see some islands. It's daytime to continue. All right, review and pay. Time comes to review and pay. Again, that should say 560, not 8060. Once that says 560, you could go ahead and you could go ahead and yeah, use the card on file. You could go ahead and use the card on file, and I'll give you the security code. All right, so I'll give you that separately, and I'm gonna say that here. All right, so you just card on file, security code, boom, boom, boom. Or if you want, you could hit advantage hold. If you hit advantage hold and hit hold, then it will save it for a couple of days, like 5 days. All right, but if you want, just hit card on file. All right, all information comes up there automatically. And all you need to put in should be, oh, sorry, card on file. And if you get to here, you could hit hold and then contact me, and we'll have 5 days to figure it out how you pay for it. If you want, you might be able to use your own card, credit debit card. All right, that's it. So do it. The main thing we're looking for is to see if this changes from 8060 to 560. All right, if it does that, that means that we save 75 bucks, and that might, no, that's just for this one. The other one, going from Port of Spain back to LA, when I checked it, it's the same price as I was getting when I was in the US. So it's just, you just have to do this once for this leg of the trip. I will book the other return leg separately, and that should be fine. All right, so try this out. Tell me how it goes.